Ham and cheese brunch squares are the perfect weekend and holiday brunch food. Start with frozen hash brown patties. Break them up with the mix and chop. I like to bake this on the stoneware bar pan. It makes it so crispy and yummy. Then you'll add some shredded cheese. We like Colby Jack, and you'll pre-bake this for a little bit while you get your toppings ready. You'll want to start with some cream cheese, add some salt and pepper and some eggs, whisk it up until it's nice and smooth, and then you'll get your fresh toppings ready. With the tomatoes, I like to get all of the seeds out so that no extra moisture is going to be sitting on top of this. Also, I want to dice these up, and a quick way to do that is with the quick slice. I slice them one way, lift them up, lay them on their sides, and slice down another way. And this is really quick, and it dices them up really well. I do the same with the green onions. For the deli ham, the food chopper gets it nice and fine. Once I've got all those ingredients ready, I pull the dish out of the oven, add the eggs, ham, and onion, and then bake it off and add the tomatoes at the end. Enjoy.